How to log in Royal Bank of Scotland online account. So let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your preferred browser on your PC. After that, you need to click on the search bar and search for personal.rbs.co.uk. After typing, you need to go for enter. Soon after entering, you will be taken to the official web page of Royal Bank of Scotland. So in order to log into your account, you have to click on the login option in the right upper corner. And after clicking on that, you will be opened up in this interface. So in order to log in, the first step is you need to enter your customer number. If you have forgotten your login details, you can go for this option where you will be helped to find your details and you'll be able to log in easily. And in this step, you need to enter your card number. The card number includes the 16 digits which you can find in front of your debit or credit card. And if you are curious about why to use your card number, then you can simply click on the drop down sign and all the descriptions will be over here. You can read from over there. You can check in over here. By doing that, from the next time whenever you try to log in, then you don't need to enter all of this information. You will be directly logged into your account, which will be easy for you. And by doing that, you can go for continue option and you need to follow some other steps where you will be guided. And by doing that, you will be able to log in Royal Bank of Scotland online account. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.